Today you will learn how to make Sunburst in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. So I have this blank new document. First of all, let's add a white background of artwork. Select rectangle tool and click once on the artboard. Let's add the width and height same as our artboard size. Click OK. Now align this in center horizontally and vertically. Remove the stroke to 0. Keep the fill color white. Now go to Object and lock this white background layer. Now right click on the rectangle tool and choose line segment tool. Press and hold the shift key and draw a straight line. Let's add a little bit of stroke. Now select width tool, and if you have a stroke, then you will get this width profile. Select width profile 4. Now increase the stroke to 100 points. If you select the zoom tool and zoom on this point, you can see there a perfect tip of the line is created on this end. Press Ctrl 0 to zoom out. Now go to Object, Expand Appearance. You can see our line is converted into a shape. You can also change this shape's color by going to Fill option. Let me place it here. Now grab the rotate tool, make sure to press and hold the Alt key, and when you remove the cursor on this point, you can see the anchor point text. Go to View and make sure this Smart Guide option is checked. So by holding Alt key and left click once on this anchor point, this rotate box will appear. Here type 360, then divider sign, and then enter the number of lines you want in this effect. Click copy. A copy will be created at a specific angle. Now press Ctrl D again and again until you get the radial shape like this. Press Ctrl minus to zoom out. Let me group these shapes and aligning these shapes in the center of the artboard. Now these ends of the shapes should be outside the artboard. Press Ctrl minus to zoom out. Now scale up these shapes by holding Shift key and place the ends of these shapes outside the artboard like this. Now you can see all the shapes are ending outside the artboard. Now we need to remove the area which is outside the artboard. Select the Shape Builder tool, and when you hover over the cursor, you can see complete shape is selecting instead of this outer part, while we need only the inner part. So we will use our white background which we created earlier in this tutorial to differentiate these shapes outside. So unlock white background. Now select all by pressing Ctrl A. Grab Shape Builder tool. Now you can see the Shape Builder tool is differentiating between inner and outer shape due to white background rectangle. If you press and hold the Alt key, then you will notice the cursor is changing from plus sign to minus sign. Now while holding the Alt key, remove these outer shapes. Press Ctrl 0 to zoom in. So our sunburst effect is ready. You can change this to any color you want. Simply select the white background rectangle and change its fill color. Now lock this background and select the rays shape and change these to your desired fill color. You can also download this Illustrator file. Link is given in the description and in the first comment box. So I hope you have learned how to make Sunburst in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next.